Do this. After this track, they'll probably be mean marking. One coming get mean way like I'm just deep riding, but this is straight talk pro and I've been thugging. Son boozing go pro so gringa, you ain't seen nothing. Sometimes I sit and look at how fucked up the scene is. Demanding this booze and one of you have seen this. Cause Ngogus mostly get dance and riches you hear. Balela when I hope Lengoma reaches your ear. Heads and tails classic and every drop must be soaked. I fail to understand why they never gave you the props you deserve. Your rap name is Pro and Mkhize. We shy a guy through as if we shy pindoms. What I know for real on the mic, how can we get flow? Kesara's back, motherfuckers, it's been you for sure. Forever your number one fan, I cheeky and no. I said what I wanna say, so when you're tuning will grow. Everybody in this club, no get chopper, chopper. If you're Rheebongs-Linda, Mkhize, now a chopper, chopper. Don't know you're blind, bring it, papa, rubber. Cause we love them when they go on me, Everybody in this club, no get chopper, chopper. If you're Rheebongs-Linda, Mkhize, now a chopper, chopper. Don't know you're blind, bring it, papa, rubber. Cause we love them when they go on me, A rapper called my name on the beef track, I was okay though. It's equivalent to what you had going on with Kato. That's when it hit me like, what will pro do? Seem like a teacher to me, I give you the whole truth. Might see me on Twitter, follow your whole career. When I bump your tracks, Sunday, hope I hear. My pelu more, I cleanse my soul, oh yeah. What I'm trying to say is you inspire me pro for real. The way you repel my king is shoo rather. The way you tune and look batin, I'll do to others. Sange what comedy can send you blue to brother. And me, I'm just a rapper that you soon to cover. When you came up, what you just seen it, they know. No the last name, Sangatani, I'm feeling no pro. Forever your number one fan, I cheeky and know I said what I wanna say, so when you're tuning or pro. Everybody in this club, no get chopper, chopper. If you're Rheebongs-Linda, Mkhize, now a chopper, chopper. Don't know you're blind, bring it, papa, rubber. Cause we love them when they go on me, Everybody in this club, no get chopper, chopper. If you're Rheebongs-Linda, Mkhize, now a chopper, chopper. Don't know you're blind, bring it, papa, rubber. Cause we love them when they go on me, Angilindelanga reply, I'm just spilling my heart. Bro, I heard a friend saying I can't push you back too. Regardless, Funanje Wazi, I got you. As long as it's tall, I lengo my baby's about you. Only now I feel I'm on that spectacular rapping. One ends and they're proud, your vernacular passion. Because of you, now my raps are so stable. And this fucking cell sign, I run my own label. I know I'm blessed in God's grace I lace. To me, writing these bars is the pace I chase. My race is Pansako, I embrace always. If we do meet, I'll tell you this face to face. Now we are Kabona Kalu, Uyenge Spirit Kalo. Can we do to understand the City Pro? Forever your number one fan, I cheeky and no. I said what I wanna say, so when we're tuning or pro. Everybody in this club, no get chopper, chopper. If you're Rheebongs-Linda, Mkhize, now a chopper, chopper. Don't know you're blind, bring it, papa, rubber. Cause we love them when they go on me, Everybody in this club, no get chopper, chopper. If you're Rheebongs-Linda, Mkhize, now a chopper, chopper. Don't know you're blind, bring it, papa, rubber. Cause we love them when they go on me, Everybody in this club, no get chopper, chopper. If you're Rheebongs-Linda, Mkhize, now a chopper, chopper. Don't know you're blind, bring it, papa, rubber. Cause we love them when they go on me, Everybody in this club, no get chopper, chopper. If you're Rheebongs-Linda, Mkhize, now a chopper, chopper. Don't know you're blind, bring it, papa.